Hi, I'm Colin from Hamilton Industrial Flooring. We're right outside Dakota Eurocentral and we're on the final day of a very exciting project. We've got 3 teams of installers at 3 separate Dakota locations: Queensferry, Glasgow City Centre and Eurocentral. Dakota's priorities were just like any other commercial kitchen: durability, cleanability and a high slip resistance. From an operational standpoint, no commercial kitchen wants to be closed for any longer than it needs to be. So that's why we've used our H-Guard system from our own Hamilton Industrial Flooring resin line. The H-Guard system cures in an hour, and that's what's made it possible to be able to complete 3 kitchen floors in 4 days. A properly installed H-resin floor can last 20 plus years. A key aspect of that is down to the preparation of the floor. So what we've done in all 3 kitchens is strip the floors back to concrete to expose the aggregate so we can ensure a strong chemical bond. H-Guard system is troweled applied. This means that there's no cold joints or bond lines running through the floor, and it ensures that a wall to floor system is seamless throughout. Really happy with the result. There was no setbacks, no delays, clear communication between ourselves and the client, and as a result there's 3 brand new kitchen floor upgrades done in 4 days.